Good morning, YouTube. Today we are driving the 6-0 to South Carolina. 14-hour drive. Y'all stay tuned. Of course, we had to make the pit stop at Starbucks.
Nice.
Wow, nice.
We made it on half a tank from San Antonio to Houston. Don't worry about that check engine light. It's not actually on. Bruh. I wanted to go a little longer, but all the passengers had to take a leak, so including me. I'm gonna fill it up, see how far it gets us, and I'll keep y'all updated. Pit stop number 2 in Lake Charles, Louisiana. Sitting pretty. So far, so good. I believe we're in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Nothing bad happened. Just stopped to fill up, do a little maintenance check, and then we'll be on the road. Good morning, guys. It's 11 in the morning. We made it here 6 in the morning. I'm drinking some coffee. It was a pretty good run. The truck did pretty good.
You serious?
We're here in Greenville, South Carolina. As you can see, I'm wearing the Carhartt. It is freezing. We're here at Cucho's Restaurant, which is my cousin and uncle's who opened this up. This is their second location. Come check it out. It's really good. So y'all can see. Yeah. Overall, the drive was good. 14 to 16 hours, like I said. Truck held up really good. We'll probably be here another day, and then we'll head out in the morning, and I'll keep you updated then. What's up, everyone? We're here at the Spinks gas station. Last day of the trip. About to fill up the truck. Fill up the auxiliary tank so we can go ahead and get out of here. We stopped here at Buc-ee's to fill up, did a refill on our coffees, a little bathroom break, and see what they got. They got a Buc-ee's in Alabama now. They probably had it for a minute. Here's the update. We made it about 5 minutes from the house before the tensioner locked up.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
I just got it off right now. And it made a mess. We stopped at O'Reilly's, so now we're waiting for them to open up and get this thing put back together. After about 16 hours on the road, we're finally back home. Truck ran smooth. I mean, other than that tensioner going out, nothing else went really wrong. Now it's time to unload the tools that I packed, unload the toolbox, and on to the next project. See y'all later, guys.